Hey guys, so welcome to this video, and today we are going to discuss something not very technical, but it's mostly a behavioral thing, and this is very important. Software development is not only about your technical skills or how you solve the coding problems or how you develop your code base, or yeah, it's not only about those things. You have to work with people, you have to understand the business, you have to deal with a lot of uh, human related issues. So yeah, I mean, there are things which you have to develop if you want to be a successful software developer. And yeah, so I will discuss the top 3 qualities that I think you need to become a successful developer. So let's discuss the first point. The first point is definitely you have to take your time, you have to sit down, and you have to concentrate for long hours. And believe me, this is not just easy to do. It's not something very easy to do. It's not a thing that you can just do it. uh, I mean, if you want to, but it's also, I think it's a habit you have to develop. So it's not about just sitting down there on your chair and watching movies or something. So you have to sit down and you have to think about different issues that you have been facing while you're developing your application, or maybe you're trying to figure out a problem, a solution of a problem, for a problem which is in your application. And then you might have to sit down and concentrate when you are designing the application. So I believe if you cannot um, settle, if you cannot like be calm and then sit down and focus on what you're working on, you're going to face a lot of difficulties in your career. um, Senior engineers, engineering managers, team leads, they actually can recognize just by seeing your behavior. So if you are very not able to sit down and focus, there is a very uh, less possibility that you can you can give something qualityful. So quality will come when you concentrate, when you focus, and then when you really think about it, and then you try to improve it. So it's not software engineering is not magic. Software engineering, it's not like the movies where the hackers just sits there for a few seconds and then they just put some keystrokes and then magic happens and they hack the system and all those things. It doesn't work that way. Applications takes months or even years to build up, and a software developer normally like spends hours just to think or solve these issues. So yeah, the first step I would recommend is try to build this habit. Try to sit down and then concentrate on a task, and don't there will be a lot of distractions, there will be a lot of uh, other things coming in your mind. You will feel like you have to go and grab a cup of coffee, you have to go and then you have to grab a snack or something. And yeah, everything might come to your plate on that time when you're trying to concentrate. So you have to stop that thing, you have to concentrate, you have to fight that fight that um, that eagerness of to stand up and then do some other stuff. But yeah, but eventually it will so it's a habit. It's you will eventually you will master it, and then there will be times like you can just sit down and then concentrate on your work for hours. At least this is there is a thing called a developer's zone in the industry. So when you where it takes some time to get into the zone, but when you are in the zone, when while you're coding, yeah, hours might fly away, and you might not even notice. So that's the level of concentration we need to have. I think so. Stay tuned, and in the next video, I will discuss my second point. So till there, take care. Bye bye.